Most people enter trading with one goal, to make money quickly. But real trading is different. Real trading is not about speed, it is about consistency. Let me explain what makes a real trader. A real trader is not someone who wins every trade. A real trader is someone who follows a system, controls risk, manages behavior, stays consistent over time. Now let's break this into a simple process. Step 1. Define your strategy. This is where most people rush. They see a setup, they immediately start trading. But a real trader defines clearly when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk. Without this, trading becomes random. Step 2. Test your strategy before risking real money. You should know how your idea works. Ask questions like, how often does this strategy win? What is the average loss? What is the maximum drawdown? This gives clarity. This is where Quantman becomes useful. You can test your strategy on past data. You can see real results. Now you are not guessing. You are working with data. This builds confidence. Step 3. Execute consistently. Now comes the hardest part. Following rules without change. Many traders fail here because when market moves, they change decisions. This is where structured execution helps. With Quantman, trades follow defined conditions. Stop loss is respected, execution is consistent. This reduces emotional interference. Step 4. Think in series, not single trade. This is a very important shift. Beginners think this trade should work. Professionals think over 50 trades my system should work. One trade means nothing. Consistency comes from many trades. Step 5. Review and improve after trading. Don't just check profit. Check. Did I follow my rules? Did I take correct trades? Did I manage risk properly? This builds growth. Now let's connect everything. Why do most traders fail? Not because market is difficult, because they don't have a clear plan, don't test strategies, don't execute properly, don't control behavior. Now think about this. If you fix these 4 things, your trading will automatically improve. This is where systems like Quantman support you, not as a shortcut, but as a structure, helping you plan better, test properly, execute consistently, and over time. This builds discipline. Let me leave you with one powerful thought. You cannot control the market. You cannot predict every move. You cannot avoid all losses, but you can control your rules, your risk, your execution. And when you control these, consistency starts building slowly, steadily. That is how real traders grow. Not in one big trade, but in many small correct decisions. If you followed this full series, you already understand more than most beginners. Now don't rush. Start small. Follow process. Because real trading is not about excitement. It is about control. That is the difference between a random trader and a real option trader.